Hello guys and welcome to Tech Checks Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to create brush strokes in Photoshop. First, import the image you would like to edit. Select it and in the window that appears here, select OK. Then, copy-paste the PNG image of a brush stroke in this image. You may also drag it from the folder. Resize this so it might cover the area you want to include in the stroke. Then, set the opacity lower so you may get a better visual. After resizing, you may set it back to 100. Next, right-click on the brush stroke layer and select Rasterize Layer. Then, click on the first layer and press Ctrl on your keyboard. Then select this icon right here. Now delete the brushstroke layer. And that's it! You have now successfully created brushstrokes in Photoshop. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!